The next thing that we're going to move into are reflexes. So we want to first, before we get into these spinal reflexes, is talk about what's the difference between an intrinsic reflex and an acquired reflex. So an intrinsic reflex and these both have very similar definitions. So rapid, predictable motor response. To a stimulus. So either way, a reflex, and I'm going to highlight this so I can copy and paste it. No matter what, a reflex is a rapid, predictable motor response to a stimulus. An intrinsic reflex is unlearned. It's not planned or unpremeditated, and it's involuntary. Predictable, this word predictable, we're saying that it's going to have the same reflex every time. So if you step on a nail, you're going to withdraw your foot away. That's going to happen the same way every time. Versus an acquired reflex. So if you've ever watched boxing and you see these guys doing the bob and weave, they have these automatic reflexes. Whenever someone throws a punch at their head, they immediately duck out of the way, and then they go with a counter to the opponent. So fighting, martial arts, that is really training acquired reflexes. So you want, again, rapid, predictable motor response to a stimulus. So the stimulus in this case is someone throwing their fist at your face, and your rapid, predictable motor response would be to duck out of the way and then punch them back. So how is this different? So this is this motor output is from practice or repetition. So you have to practice ducking out of the way of a fist. I mean, you will, if you'll probably move if someone throws a fist at you, but you might have to think about it a little more versus like a boxer who's going to have it just pre-programmed into his brain through this repetition. There's a really cool video you can watch of Muhammad Ali dodging like 20 punches in 6 seconds or something. Highly recommend it. All right. Another example of an acquired reflex, driving. So you're driving and you see a dog or a cat come out and you immediately hit the brakes. Or you're driving and you go uphill and your automatic inclination is to push on the gas. So those are two examples. Okay, so next when we look at a reflex, we're going to look at these different reflexes like stretch reflex, etc. And what we want to be able to identify are these components of a reflex arc. So